Hi everyone, welcome to my Optimum Health God's Way YouTube channel. Today we are going to look at conquering glaucoma naturally. According to National Institutes of Health, glaucoma is a leading cause of irreversible blindness worldwide. About 80 million people have glaucoma. Glaucoma is a silent thief of sight because it gives no noticeable symptoms in the early stages. Glaucoma affects the mitochondria, which is the power generator in the retinal ganglion or nerve cells in the eyes. The risk of glaucoma increases with age. That means as we age or as we grow older, we have more risk of developing glaucoma. People who are diabetics are twice likely to develop glaucoma disease. In the case of glaucoma, it starts affecting your peripheral or sight vision, slowly narrowing the edges of the full image, like parts of the pictures are missing until a significant portion is gone. Like you cannot see the side pictures much anymore when you look straight. The side slowly reduce or decrease until you don't see the side anymore. If glaucoma is left untreated, it could lead to blindness. Now let's look at definition of glaucoma. Glaucoma is a group of eye diseases that damages or worsens the optic nerve over time, which is very likely to lead to vision loss or blindness, often associated with elevated or increased intraocular pressure in the eyes. But glaucoma can also occur in normal intraocular pressure, and glaucoma mainly affects the optic nerve that transmits visual information of the eyes to the brain due to the increased pressure inside the eyes. It is developing slowly and painlessly, often started with blind spots in peripheral or sight vision, eventually leading to tunnel vision. That means it constricts or reduces the visual field so you can see less of the side or peripheral vision. Central vision is there, but sight vision is missing or distorted. If we don't treat glaucoma, it can lead to blindness. To explain it better, let's look at the analogy of you have a faucet, a sink, and a drain. Normally water flow in and out, maintaining a stable level. In our eyes, there is a similar balance with a liquid that flows in and out, making sure our eye pressure is just right. However, when the drain is blocked, the water rises up in the sink. Same thing. The pressure in the eyes builds up when the fluid drainage is blocked, and when the water doesn't exit properly, it would press against optic nerve, which is our visual cable. If the optic nerve is damaged, it can lead to blindness. Now let's look at the signs and symptoms of glaucoma. For the early signs, no noticeable symptoms, or in a more severe case, intermittent or off and on symptoms like blurred vision, halos around lights, or eye pain. But in more advanced stages, patchy blind spots, especially on the side and peripheral vision, or tunnel vision, that means reduced side vision, gradual vision loss if left untreated. That means you even lose the central vision. In the more advanced stages like sudden severe eye pain, you feel like worst headache of your life, or blurred vision like cloudy or foggy, or halos around lights, seeing colored rings or halos around light sources, or red eyes. The affected eye may appear red, and nausea and vomiting like due to intense eye pain, or headache on the same side as the affected eye, or dilated pupil. Your pupils appear larger than normal. or congenital glaucoma in children, cloudy or dull eye in infants or babies, increased and excessive blinking or tears even when not crying, nearsightedness worsen over time, or enlarged eyes, like one or both eyes will get larger than normal. Now let's look at effective method of healing. In order to heal anything, in this case glaucoma, effectively, number one, we need to find out the cause or causes of glaucoma. Number two, we need to remove, change, or correct everything that causes glaucoma. Number three, we need to expel impurities, toxins, and waste that cause or causes glaucoma. And lastly, we need to reestablish the right health principles. Let's look at the first effective method of healing: ascertain or find out the cause or causes. Number one, genetics. If you have a family history of glaucoma, it increases the risk of you getting glaucoma. 2. Tobacco, alcohol, cocaine, or other drugs, or caffeine, refined sugar, refined carbohydrates. Smoking may increase the risk of glaucoma. 3. Lifestyle. Too much screen time, overexposure to short range, and underexposure to long range view, which is crucial for healthy eye development. Too much screen time is bad. 4. Vitamin D deficiency, when we don't get enough sunshine or supplements. 5. Fluid drainage issues. When your fluid drainage is blocked, there is a fluid buildup in your eyes that increase the pressure in your eyes. 6. Medications. Steroid, corticosteroid, like eye drops that you use for long term, or antidepressants, antihistamines, anticoagulants, antipsychotics, antiparkinsonians, drugs, and other drugs like active bladder for migraines and others. 7. Other medical conditions like diabetes, high blood pressure, eye injuries, eye surgeries, tumor, inflammatory conditions, or any traumas to the eye. 8. Age. As we get older, there is an increased risk of developing glaucoma, especially over 60. 9. Others like thin corneas, congenital, or you are born with glaucoma, or unhealthful, harmful diet, or dehydration, and others. Let's look at second effective method of healing. You have to remove, correct, or change. That means you shun, avoid, and stop everything that causes glaucoma, be it your diet, habit, or lifestyle. If they are harmful and unhealthy that contributes to glaucoma, you correct, remove, and change. The third effective method of healing: we need to expel impurities, toxins, and waste. Even though we might stop everything that causes already, but there are still some toxins and waste, impurities that need to be eliminated. I would like to share with you one simple and effective one. It takes 3 days. On those 3 days, you would eat only watermelon, cantaloupe, honeydew, or any other cleansing vegetables like dandelion greens, beetroot, cilantro, lemons, and take no enema intestinal bowel cleanser, natural laxatives like Ascara sagrada, senna, psyllium husk, slippery elms, tamarind, prune juice. Take that for 3 days, and then normally a night before the enema. The solution for your enema: take a good sized bulb of garlic, peel it, and blend it with 2 cups of distilled water. Squeeze a lemon or 2 and add the lemon juice to the garlic and the water solution. Drain it and use about 8 ounces of that solution for each enema, once in the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening for 3 days. Now let's look at the last effective method of healing: to re-establish the right health principle, or God's right health principles. These principles help promote good health. That means good blood and good circulation. And it provides all the essential nutrients like vitamins and minerals, the 5 needs of the cells like water, oxygen, nutrients, waste elimination, and poison to be kept out. So if your cells are healthy, you are healthy. There are 8 health principles. Number 1, godly trust. In Exodus 15:26, God says, I am the Lord that heals you. And in Psalms 103 verse 3, God heals all the diseases, including glaucoma. So in faith, in godly trust, we can ask God to heal us, and in turn, we can follow and obey His health principles like we follow doctor's orders. 2, open fresh air. Oxygen in the fresh air helps accelerate healing. And negative ions helps boost immune system, help fight glaucoma. 3, daily exercise helps lower intraocular pressure and it helps improve blood flow to the eyes. So more nutrients would reach the eyes and more waste from the eyes would be efficiently eliminated through excellent circulation. And daily exercise potentially helps slow down the progression of visual field loss and helps manage other risk factors associated with glaucoma like diabetes and high blood pressure. And daily exercise helps reduce stress, which indirectly impacts intraocular pressure and helps slow down vision loss. 4, sunshine. Sunshine is good for visual loss because UV rays from the sunshine strengthens the eyes because our eyes are the extension of the brain. So how does the brain get sunshine? Through the eyes. In the sun, we can slightly close your eyes, tilt head up toward the sun, gently warm your eyelids about 10 to 20 seconds and gently lower your head and slowly open your eyes and repeat it. And especially on a sunny day, your eyes help regulate how your skin responds to sunlight by sending messages to your brain. So it tells your skin to adjust its defenses, helps reduce the likelihood of sunburn by closing up receptor sites on your skin. 5, proper rest or proper sleep plays a crucial role in supporting glaucoma management and overall eye health. Proper sleep helps reduce oxidative stress, which damages optic nerve, and helps regulate blood pressure. So it helps slow the progression of glaucoma and helps stabilize intraocular pressure, the pressure in the eyes. And during sleep, there is repairing, healing, and regenerating of tissues occur that aids in the healing process of glaucoma. 6, lots of water helps regulate intraocular pressure. Drinking enough or adequate water helps ensure the eye's proper fluid balance. That helps reduce the risk of intraocular pressure in the eyes by drinking enough water. It helps with your tear production that lubricates the eyes and prevent dryness. And by drinking enough water helps improve your circulation, helps nutrients to the eyes for repairing. 7, always temperate. Self-discipline and temperance helps you make a wise choice. You can say no to unhealthy, harmful diet, habits, and lifestyle, and yes to following and obeying the right health principles. 8, nutrition. Nutrition plays a crucial role in supporting overall eye health, potentially lowering intraocular pressure in your eyes and protecting the optic nerve. Omega-3 is an anti-inflammatory that helps reduce intraocular pressure in the eyes. Vitamin C, vitamin A, and E, they are antioxidants that helps protect optic nerve and other tissues from oxidative stress. Magnesium helps improve blood flow to the eyes and protect retinal ganglion or nerve cells in the eyes. Vitamin B3 or niacinamide helps improve mitochondrial function and helps reduce oxidative stress. Nitrate, like leafy greens, beet, celery, helps improve circulation in the eyes. Let's look at some healing food to the eyes. Omega-3 like chia seeds, flax seeds, and walnuts, and others. Antioxidants like citrus, lemons, oranges, pomegranates, grapefruits, berries, guava, pineapples, butternut, squash, broccoli, artichokes, kale, red cabbage, grapes, colorful fruits and vegetables, plant-based protein like lima bean, black-eyed beans, cannellini bean, chickpeas, lentils, soy, nut seeds, leafy greens, vitamin K2 like spinach, natto, Brussels sprouts, Swiss chard, okra, kale, turnip, herbs like turmeric, ginger, cayenne, ginkgo, bilberry, eyebright, golden seal, bladderwrack, sea moss, astaxanthin, and supplements like better than green, spirulina, chlorella, sea moss, moringa, wheatgrass, and milk thistle. Now let's look at natural remedies for glaucoma. Number 1, fasting. Fasting helps reduce weight and decrease oxidative stress that is damaging to the optic nerve and helps detox the body, cleanse the body, and helps reduce the intraocular pressure in the eyes. 2, castor oil. Rub or massage. Castor oil helps reduce swelling or inflammation, dryness, and irritation. You can take a few drops of castor oil, rub over your eyelid, massage around the eyes 2 times a day. The best time is at night before bed. 3, eye drops or eye wash. You can take equal parts of eyebright and golden seal, steep it for some time and add a pinch of cayenne pepper. Cool the solution down and use as eye drops or eye wash. It helps reduce pressure in the eyes. You can even do a drop of lemon juice in the morning, put it where your tear duct drainage is. In the evening, you can put a drop of honey, like manuka honey, mixed with a little water to be able to put it in. 4, try to include in your diet omega-3 fatty acids rich food, ginkgo biloba, saffron, leafy greens, and others. 5, rebounding eye exercise. When you bounce on the trampoline, it helps strengthen the muscles of your eyes, helps with the circulation in your whole body, especially in your eyes too. While you are bouncing on the trampoline, focus on one thing for 10 seconds, then switch your focus to a different thing. For example, you can look at short range objects for 10 seconds, then switch it to long range objects. Keep doing that for a few times. It's very good for strengthening your eyes and helps your eyes to be more flexible. 6, lifestyle. If you have to work a lot with screens, computer, cell phone, try to look away to the object in the long range view, to the trees, birds, leaves, clouds. Every 20 or 30 minutes, look away for 20 seconds, 20 feet away from you. 7, sun exposure. Close your eyes, tilt your head toward the sun. Let the UV ray warm your eyelids for about 20 seconds and repeat the process. 8, poultice. Take lobelia and flaxseed, mix with a little water and make it into a paste. Put it on a paper towel, close your eyes and put the poultice on your eyes. Or you can do clay pack. Mix the bentonite clay with a little water, put it in the paper towel, close your eyes and put it on your eyes. 10, colon cleansing. There are centers where they clean your colon, would flush large intestine out with large volume of water to remove toxins, to help boost energy and immune system. 11, take ginkgo 1 tablespoon 3 times a day. Vitamin A 15,000 IUs 3 times a day. Vitamin C 5,000 milligrams 3 times a day. Vitamin D 10 to 20,000 IUs a day. Vitamin E 400 IUs a day. Beta carotene 25,000 IUs a day. Magnesium 600 milligram a day. Vitamin K2 1,000 IUs 2 times a day. Vitamin B1, B2, B3, niacinamide can start from 35 milligrams a day. Zinc 8 milligrams a day. Bilberry, sea moss, bladderwrack. Friends, I would like to leave you with 3 John 2. Beloved, I wish above all things that you may prosper and be in health as your soul prospers. Bye for now until my next video. God bless.